traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 8th of April 2021, the expiry, the first expiry of the month of April. Before we proceed, today we made 13K. If you want to make similar profits, please do join us on our waiting list at www.rltrgroup.com and chat with us. Or you can also WhatsApp us and we'll be able to respond to you. And also, there's a waiting period that you need to keep in mind that we are only onboarding new members from the 20th of April. So until then, you can book your slots because after we fill them, we are not going to be onboarding anymore. So before we proceed, now in a volatile market like this, guys, what you need is we have a risk calculator that we actually deploy. So in our risk calculator, we go ahead and calculate our capital and the risk, the 1/4 or 1/8 when it is volatile, and we take our trades based on whatever number comes up. Now, of course, we all have a calculator, but to give us a direction to our thoughts, this was quite an exciting move that we bought up. A lot of people are saving their capital, protecting the capital, and growing it steadily. So the most important level for us today is that, still the Banknifty is operating, but I decided to make this video because I'm telling you there is a trend line that is coming from the top. And this trend line is a very powerful trend line tomorrow for Banknifty. So if we somehow go ahead and take out this particular trend line, we are going to have a quick scalp-like situation here. But you should not be trading under this zone. So 33,032 till 33,185. Please do not trade at this particular zone because you might get caught up in a sideways market. For us to have a trending market, it needs to go ahead and break this level, and that level is 33,192. And as soon as it takes that out, we can go ahead and look for a large target of 429 points up there. Now, what are the levels for the downside? The levels for the downside are pretty neat. You can go ahead and draw a trend line here. Now, whenever there is a break onto the downside, the most important thing that you need to do is do not trade at this particular area. Only when Banknifty is going to take out this level, which is 32,865, then you can quickly look for your targets over here straight away until the bottom of 32,500. So these 300 points are easy. And anywhere when the trend line is breaking on the top or the trend line breaking at the bottom, you need to be very, very careful when you're trading between 33,192 and 32,865, because it might just end up being a sideways market tomorrow. So please be very careful with your levels. And for the Nifty, for Nifty, there is a similar kind of a structure, but remember there is a big wall in here that you need to keep in mind. And Nifty has already been trying to break this wall. That is 14,900 is the accurate price that I want to say. It is trying to break that, but it's not. But somehow, if it takes that out, then we can look for an easy target of 64 points at 14,956. Now, because there is a lot of open interest on the 15,000 call, and if the unwinding starts and you're able to capture that onto the option chain, you can also look for a 15,044 as a target onto the top. Now, over here, the other way around, what we need to do is, if you go ahead and see, there is a very thick trend line that is actually coming for Nifty as well. So in this trend line, what you need to do is, whenever there is a breakout, this area should not be traded until 14,747. So from 14,854 to 747, I'm not going to trade. But after, once that breaks, I can quickly look for a 132 point target at 14,600 for Banknifty tomorrow. So these for Nifty, my apologies. So these are my levels for you for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do join our Telegram group that is being listed below. We'll be more than happy to assist you with any queries whenever you make a contact. Thank you so much for your time. Wish you have a beautiful day. Jai Hind. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.